Recording.
Sir, I joined through mobile, sir. Pooja will record today, sir.
Okay, Pooja, please forward to side. Anyone want recording? Pooja permitted, Amma. Next. If anyone wants, please let me know. See. Hey, shall I draw this figure? I will draw this figure. I will make it fast. So because anyway I am not permitting you to note down, I will send the screenshots. Okay. See. Who are joining, they will join as usual. There is an object given 65. 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. I there is mute कर दो. तुलाच म्हणलो ना. Mute म्हणतो. Right. This is 65, 15, 15. This is given figure, Amma. Don't get because I have to draw that, so that's why I'm taking time. So for you people, it is given in question paper. Can you tell me what are the new components you observed here? Anyone? What is the difference between earlier problem and this problem? Make it your response fast.
Side view and front view.
Yes, Amma.
Side and front view, sir.
Side and front view. Very good. Any two views he can give. That is the first thing you have to learn. Okay, fantastic. Next. Front view always represent length and height. Side view always represent height and width. This is known fact. Agree? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Summation of two views is 3D object. Okay, next. Apart from this is the one observation. What is the next observation? Anyone?
There is a curve.
Yes, Amma?
There is a curved thing.
Yeah, very good. There is a semicircle, Amma. Until now, I not included semicircle or circle. Now circle is coming to picture. Okay, one is circle. Next. Next. Paper solve chesana last class dekha. Paper. Paper problem. I'm talking to you people, Amma. Last class when I solved whether I touched the paper.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here taper, rectangle, semicircle, everything I included. Listen carefully. How to solve? Always semicircle is with respect to axis. Kanpadtunda idu axis kaino? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Idu jagratam vinnalam. Anything semicircle, you should not apply rectangular rule. See, I will start. Sometimes I will shift my camera time to time because I want to start. I don't want to erase. So many times I am erasing nowadays. See, is the problem. I want to draw one problem in one. Is the point. Take 30 degree. 30 degree. Join this. Join this 30 degree. Now, I will start journey from here. This corner, 65 length. See, from here, 65 length. Already you know. 65. Height how much? Ikkada jagratam chuskovalama. You have to take height up to axis length. What is the height of the up to axis length, Amma? Height up to axis length.
35.
35. Where carefully ikkada velali. If you want height, here also we have option of height. 35. First I will take 35 only. Jagratam vinnandi. 35. So 10, 20, 30, 35. Okay. Then what is the length? Length how much? Length
15.
15. Come back. 15. Parallel to this. 15. I am not touching. What is this height, Amma? What is this height? This height?
45.
Huh?
45.
This height only from here to here.
20.
20. 35 minus 15, 20. Why I am telling means calculations. Calculation should be have perfection. Finish. L shape vachinda. Same thing L shape. What is the width of this object, Amma? Width of this object. Width. Width
40.
of this. Yes, Amma.
40.
40. What is the radius of this semicircle, Amma?
20.
20. He cleverly given, Amma. Instead of giving radius, he given 40. 40 is the dia, 20 is the radius. Jagratam, what I am telling, I am giving clue how to search the information in that given figure. 99% he will give every information in direct form or indirect form. If it is given directly, well and good. If it is indirect, how to extract it? Jagratam Vinnandi. So 40. So I will take all sides 40. 40. 40. Got it? So what we learned means rectangle rules are different. Rectangle only rectangle rules se follow chahe. Now this object is semicircle. Above the axis line is semicircle. So then you have to apply semicircle rule. Circle. Can you buy half apple, half lemon, half orange?
No, sir.
No. Similarly, you cannot apply half semicircle rule. That's why I told one of the problem in semicircle, apply full circle. Whether you want to retain, whether you want to throw, it is none of our business. There are two faces, Amma. Chapandi. Whether first, I have to apply semicircle rule 2 times, back face, front face. Which one you want first? Front or back?
Back. Back.
Back. Vinandi. Jagratam Vinali. 20 radius, 20 above, 20 below. Vachinda 50-50 from this corner, 20 above, 20 below. Simple thing. Join them. Midpoint. Join them with the midpoint. Join opposite corners with smaller diagonal. Join opposite corner with smaller diagonal. See. Back face. Use 4 center. Only 2 center you have to use. This as a center. This as a radius. Draw this. This as a center. This as a radius. Draw this. Got it? Semicircle vachinda. Half, half. Agree? Any response?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Siddham Puja. Idu Jagratam. Front face. Same rule. 20 above, 20 below. From here, 20 above, 20 below. Use this because this line is 20, midpoint. Join this 40, midpoint. Join with opposite midpoints. Join this opposite things. Jagratam Chayali, what I am telling. Apply 4 center method. This. Draw. Only 2 centers I am using because it is semicircle. See that. Join it. This is semicircle, amma. Semicircle. This is semicircle. Getting my point? Understand? Semicircle rule apply check. Idu Jagrata. Next. What is the object, amma? Some taper is there. This taper. What is the height of this taper? Height of that taper. Anyone? Height.
20.
How much height of this taper? How much? Anyone?
30.
No, Maha. 30 from here. Total is 45. He given total 45, 30 from here. Okay. What is the width? Width.
10.
10. వినండమ్మా ఇప్పుడు కింద వచ్చేస్తున్నాను. How simply we can locate that? From this point, take midpoint 20, 5 mm on this side, 5 mm on this side. Agree? Next, height 30. 15 already it is there. Take 30. This is 30. Up to here. Take this up to here. Up to here tip. It is up to tip of this. Next, join them. Taper కనపడుతుందా? Yes sir. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the
Yes,
width?
sir.
What is the width? 10.
10.
Take 10. Take 10. Join them. కనపడుతుందా? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ఇది జాగ్రత్తం చేయాలమ్మా. సెమీ సర్కిల్ రూలే అప్లై చేయాలి. సర్కిల్ రూలే అప్లై చేయాలి. This is the method you have to do. Any doubts? I am teaching you. Until now I told first rectangle rule. Through hole rule. Then taper rule. Semicircle rule. Only last topic left is circle. Now I will take next problem, circle. I am not writing dimension. You have to write dimensions. Okay. Shall I give? I want one help from you people. What is that? I won't draw figure. I will give direct figure. You take pick. If pick తీసుకోండమ్మా. Because take this pick in your mobile. Directly I will draw. What are the things are there here? You see, in this taper is there, circle is there, semicircle is there, rectangular box is there. Agree? If you want, I will make it zoom. Only figure target cheyalante, I will make it zoom. Can you take pick?
Yes, sir.
తీసుకోండమ్మా, pick తీసుకోండి. Because I don't want to draw this figure again, taking time. Directly I want to draw this figure. Any figure, figure is not a problem for us. The method which we are adopting, you have to apply that methods. Finished? Shall I go for problem? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Then I will draw direct figure here. Dimension. Carefully you see. point. Semicircle takes 30 degree on right, 30 on left. Take this dimension. Take this dimension. 30 degree, 30 degree. Right. In this figure, Jagratam Chudandi. Here length 25 plus 50. Okay na? Okay na?
Yes, sir.
75. Height take up to only axis line 50, 15. Then remaining things I will draw. Listen carefully. 75. So what I will do? From here 10, 20, 25. Some point is there. I don't know. From here I will measure 50. So total it is 75. So this length is 75. How much height, Amma? 50. We taken height of 50. See, width 15. Width 15. Take this height, how much? 20 minus 50, 30. From here, 20. Join them. 6.
Sir,
This is
width.
the L. Yes, Amma? This is the L shape. 20. This total 50 minus 20 is 30. This height is 30. I drawn. What is the width of this object, Amma? Can anyone tell me? What is the width of this object? Width of this object.
75.
Width. In top view, nothing is given. Top view aim ledu on figure ichi padesar ante. Then width, where we have to search width. Width of that object.
Side view.
Side view. Chapamma. Width enta undi. You are right. Width
40.
40. Very good. Radius is there. Convert that into dia. Dia is a width. In earlier problem, he given dia, skipped radius. Here he given radius, dia is there. Be careful. 40. What I am teaching means you have to understand how to extract the information. 40. 40. See, again object is ready. Now, 4 center method. Semicircle. Front, back. I will take back. First, 20 up, 20 down. 40 undi. This is 20 up, 20 down. Jagratam vinnandi. This midpoint. Midpoint. Join with minor diagonal. Idu rule amma. It has to be drawn like this only. There is no alternate method. So be careful. I asked you people, you should be expert in 4 center method. Take this as a center, this as a radius, draw this. This as a center, this as a radius, draw this. Finish. Semicircle ready. Front, same rule. 40 up, 40 down. Mark cheskondi 1 point. 20 up, 20 down. Join these two. This is midpoint. Join these two. Jagratham, as light as possible you have to draw. Join this midpoint. Join this midpoint. Minor diagonal. Use 4 center method. This as a center. This as a radius. Draw the arc. This as a center. This as a radius. Draw this arc. Join this tangent line. Next, join them. After getting 2 arcs, make it dark. Got your semicircle? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Hello, I am audible. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Next, circle. There is one circle is also there. This circle no ravalama. This circle through hole. See, it is at center. So what is that? 20 dia. You see how I will do. This is center line. From here, center point. 10 on right side, 10 on left side. Up vertical because it is vertically placed. 10 up, 10 down. 10 up, 10 down. 10 up, 10 down. Compulsory ellipse ravali. You know that sphere I taught you. Why I taught sphere means so many problems I try to solve. Despite of intention is that everywhere it is applicable. Take this as a center, this as a radius, draw this. This as a center, this as a radius, draw. This as a center, this as a radius, draw. This as a center, ellipse ravalama. I asked you people, cut lemon. This is circle. This circle is become ellipse when we are observing. Kanpadtunda? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jagrata. Backside also we have to draw. But I will give one suggestion, draw one arc like this. What I told, when water glass is moving away from you, shape of the water will start changing. Agree? Agree? Yes sir, no?
Yes.
This elliptical one, looped one curve join chain, you will get full marks. Now, after this, there is one taper portion. If you observe, there is one taper. How to draw? This taper ki cut 15 mm iccharama width degara. What already 25 mm line is there. I drawn that 25 mm line on both sides. This is 25. Here I will take 15. 15. From here I will take 15. What I will do, Amma? This 15 and 25 line I will join. This I will join. This I will join. And this I will join. After this, I will finalize my figure. This is the figure which we are extracting from here. At last dark చేసుకోవాలి because final look should be there. సో ఇది మొత్తం ఎక్కువ డార్క్ కనపడుతుంది, ఏం చేయద్రా, కొంచెం లైట్ చేయండి, ఎరేజ్ చేయండి. Actually it is erased point, but initially if I erase I won't get the figure. సో అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాను, కనపడాలి but simultaneously reflect అయిపోద్ది. Got it my point? Yes sir. Yes sir, no.
Yes, sir.
ఇది జాగ్రత్తం చేసుకోవాలి. Means figures are not tough, only transformation is very difficult. Now these figures I will post it, you are able to draw. If you have any difficulty you may ask, definitely I will help. I told that in one of the class I will tell how to prepare for annual examination. Yes or no? Vinnandi. Part A. 1 minute, I will take attendance, then I will explain. Part A. There are 10 questions. 10 questions, each carry 1 marks. How distribution will be there? First question, first and second, unit 1. Third and fourth, unit 2. 5, 6, unit 3. 7, 8, unit 4. 9, 10, unit 5. What I told, these two are same units. Any question may be jumbled because all are isometric. These two questions are orthographic. Any question may be jumbled. Only first unit, conic section. Jagratam. So these iso. Each carry. What are the questions? I told that it may be definition, conic section definition, cycloid definition, cycloid definition, epicycloid, hypocycloid, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, orthographic, point, line, prism, pyramid, truncate, frustum, solids, then isometric, axonometric projections, difference between the two, length and isometric length, isometric scale. So many problems, it may be definition, it may be comparison, it may be application. Any questions may be there in part. Okay. This is, I'm talking about annual examination pattern. Don't mix with so many things. Part B. 11A. It is conic section, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. Or B. Cycloidal curve, cycloid, epicycloid, hypocycloid. 10 marks question. You should be perfect according to that. 12A. It is point, line, or sometimes only line. B. It is plane. 13A. It is solid. Solid, it may be prism or it may be pyramid. B question. 14A. Isometric. 3D figures. Simple 3D. Truncated up to sphere. Here, written statement. Convert that into orthographic view. Convert that into ISO. Yes or no? Yes or no? Or B-bit. Composite. 2D or 3D. Maximum 2D. 15A. Conversion of 2D, 3D. 2D means orthographic, 3D means ISO. Or B-bit. Conversion of 3D to 2D. 3D means ISO to ortho. Any question. Now question is that how to prepare. First you have to target 14 units. It's the first perfect preparation. If you have isometric, you will touch these two questions simultaneously. First, composite. Composite radhamma, eppudu you don't know this method, you cannot go for composite. So that's why target this. 100% target, you have to go for this. Next, conics. Second unit is isometric. Very simple. There is a one always controversy between students. Sir, 2D to 3D is simple. It is your choice. No, sir, 3D to 2D is simple. It is your choice, Amma. You may take 2D to 3D or 3D to 2D. One should be perfect. Because without knowing this, you cannot draw. Without knowing this, you cannot draw. Both are interrelevant things. So be careful. First unit is a target chair. Then third target is conic section. Means you see what I told, 10 marks, 10 marks, 10 marks, 30 plus this 10, 40. Your target is around 35 marks in this.